Hey everybody, today we're going to look at Roxxem and how you can give a homework assignment and what the grades look like when the students are done.
All right, now that I'm logged in, I'm going to find the song that I want to assign for homework. Let's say I want to do this one, J Balvin and Ed Sheeran. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit and click on this Assign for Homework button right here. I'm going to choose the option I want to do. I'm just going to do whack a word because that's pretty simple. You have to choose which class you want to use. And then I'm going to choose the whole song as I want to. The question type, we'll do just a word. And difficulty, I'll make it easy. And I'll have to choose a due date. So let's say I want to do January 30th. Okay, and then I'll click create. And once you click create, it'll take you to the page that has all of your classes on it and the assignment that you just assigned. So I did assign one, and I had a couple students already complete it, so let's take a look at what that looks like. So I assigned Sofia by Alvaro Soler last week, and as you can see over here, 2 students completed it. This was just an optional homework assignment. And it just sorts them by alphabetical, but if I click on status here, I can put the kids at the top that did finish. So I've got 2 kids that did it. Shows me their grade, their accuracy. Over here it shows you how many they got right and wrong, or just how many they got right actually. And then the score that they earned and how long they did the song. So you can see that this kid has more time because he listened to the song twice, which is probably how he got a higher score. Now, if you wanted to just kind of play this by yourself and see how hard it is for the students, you can click on the Open Song button. And let's see, I want to just do whack a word. I can play solo by myself, and I can play through it and just get an idea of what the song is like for the students. So that's homework assignments in Roxxem. If you have questions, let me know. Be sure to click on the link in the description if you end up signing up for Roxxem, as they send me a little gift my way. That's it. Adios.